We started off with a presentation on intuitive decision making with Wayne Budge from Federated Insurance, and Wayne walked through the various parts of decision making, and how we would look at any decision in our life, and then related that into how we make decisions in business that are based on intuition, and walked us through the process of that. There was some interesting points that Dave Hagen raised in regards to that OH&S changes and the WCB changes that are coming about. I elected to do this presentation on community engagement because I look back over my years of involvement with the ECAA, starting from my time as communications chair and working my way through the Edmonton chapter executive, and then coming on the provincial executive. I thought about how I had evolved as a participant throughout that, and what I had learned most in that area was in community engagement. And so I did a bit more research through the Tamarack Institute and the International Association for Public Participation, and I put together some points on the public engagement spectrum, and 7 principles for public participation, and just related that to how the ECAA operates within the electrical industry first, and then again outside in terms of the general public. Not just the construction industry, but how we work with the Alberta government and various other entities that stem from that. We finished off our presentations yesterday with Terry Malotte's presentation on the solar presentations that the ECAA did across the province, and Terry had a little more additional information in that. I mean, as you know, if you caught one of those presentations, Terry traveled around with Bill Funditis from the IBUW Training Center, and just presented a wealth of knowledge on all aspects of what was going to be happening in terms of solar installations across the province. And Terry, used that as a springboard for his presentation here in Cannes, and added some new material to it as well.